Hello, welcome to Derisnap.com. In this video you are going to see how to set roll settings in short Strangle strategy. First, go to Strangles. Then select the expiry you wish to trade. After that, in Next tab, you need to confirm the strikes of calls and puts. Once that is done, on Next tab please set quantities. Then you can enable roll settings. This toggle switch allows you to enable or disable the roll feature for this particular strategy. When any position gets exited either by hitting stop loss or trailing take profit, it will roll at a different strike based on the parameters set. The roll feature involves adjusting your current positions by closing existing positions and opening new ones with different strike prices. It is mainly done for managing risk by locking in profits and losses, adjusting delta or market view, especially when the market trends significantly in one direction. Rolling strikes up or down can neutralize delta, making the position less directional. Capitalizing on further time decay or premiums. After enabling roll, you need to set distance from index. This specifies how far the strike should be from the current index level to trigger a roll. It refers to a minimum distance of the strike price from the current underlying price you wish to roll. For example, if you give 200 as a value, when any existing orders are exited by hitting stop loss or trailing take profit will result in the selection of a new strike that is at least minimum 200 points away from the current spot index during the rolling process. If the current index price is 105,000 for rolling, if it is put side, it will select the strikes around 104,800 level. If it is call side, it will select the strikes around 105,200 levels. After specifying distance from index, you need to set when to roll. This specifies the minimum duration the system should pause before taking a new position for the roll. It represents the waiting period for your next order after any previous positions are closed due to stop loss or trailing take profit. For example, if you set this to 10 minutes, the system will wait for 10 minutes after any orders gets exited by hitting stop loss or trailing take profit. Once the waiting period is over, the roll conditions will be activated. After setting your waiting time, you need to enter premium roll percentage. This refers to the minimum change in premium that you want to initiate a roll. Rolling an option involves closing the current one and opening a new one. This premium roll percentage helps you maintain the additional premium you aim to collect from the roll. It will select the new premium price based on the roll percentage from the initial premiums which are exited by hitting stop loss or trailing take profit. For roll strikes, new orders will be entered with the same premium or one that is closest to your settings. If you set the roll percentage to 10%, it will only roll if the new leg's premium is higher or lower by this 10%. For example, if you initially sell an option at a premium of 100 and set the roll percentage to 10%, the system will consider a premium range of 90 to 110 for the next roll trigger. If any strike is available within this premium range and satisfies the minimum distance from index criteria, a new order will be generated. Once all roll settings is done. In advanced settings, please set the stop loss and trailing for this strategy. Once both stop loss and trailing is done, you can start the bot. Then open orders will be created. Once the orders gets filled, it will be moved to open positions. And in the active Strangle tab you can see the open positions. And then you can view current strategy roll settings by clicking Info button. Here you can clearly see the initial positions got exited by hitting stop loss and trailing take profit. And waiting for roll after a given waiting time of 10 minutes. And you can find the strategy is continuously rolling the strikes if any exited in defined stop loss and trailing take profit. Here you can clearly identify that the system has been entering the trades for every roll. For a given premium roll of 10%. For every next roll, system will enter with the maximum premium roll of 10% from previous roll premiums. This helps to maintain the additional premium you aim to collect. Once all the rollings are done, strategy gets exited. Thank you.